Top 5 Best Car Washing Machine. Here is the item number 5. 3500 watts high pressure car washing machine. Product advantages: high power induction brushless motor, pure copper movement, intelligent noise reduction, sheet metal shell, strong and corrosion resistant, ultra high water pressure, majestic power, large water output, quick exhaust, fast water output. More choices of self-priming 2 water sources. Visual pressure gauge: the pressure is clear at a glance. Here is the item number 4. 125 bar high pressure car washing machine. Product description: 3200 watts high power industrial grade induction brushless motor. Pure sheet metal body, more solid. Visual pressure gauge: stronger water pressure and faster water outlet speed. Smart switch, more comfortable application. Intelligent temperature control induction system, overheating protection is safer. Self-priming dual purpose, you can choose various water sources. Here is the item number 3. 2400 watts high pressure car washing machine. High power brushless induction motor. Quick exhaust, only 3s to discharge water. Automatic switch machine, easy to use, longer service life. The whole machine is waterproof and safer to use. Visual pressure gauge: the water pressure is clear at a glance. Overheating protection, safer to use. Faucet, self-suction water inlet method, suitable for more usage scenarios. Portable handle design, more convenient to move. Here is the item number 2. 3800 watts wheeled high pressure car washing machine. Aerospace grade pure copper core induction motor, long lasting use, green and environmentally friendly. Sacco pump head, 14 3-plunger strong spray pressure. Comes with rollers, no need to worry about moving the car washer. 2 ways to connect to water source: tap, water source. Automatic start and stop technology to extend the service life of the machine. Visual pressure gauge: the size of water pressure is clear at a glance. Here is the item number 1. 2800 watts high pressure car washing machine. 3200 watts high power induction motor is green and environmentally friendly, pure copper movement, longer service life. Stainless steel pump body, 14 3-plunger strong spray pressure. Smart microchip, safer car washing environment. 2 ways to connect water source: tap, water source. Automatic start and stop technology to extend the service life of the machine. Fully automatic exhaust and fast water outlet. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.